I'm a 16-year-old girl and want to play the drums professionally for someone famous. How do I do it? It's not just about how well you play, it's about who you know and how you grow your skills. In this video, I'll reveal the key steps to becoming a successful drummer, from improving your playing to building connections in your local music scene. Stick around, because these tips will help you get noticed and find the gigs you really want to work on. A. Developing drummers. Whether you're just starting out or already have some experience, there's always the question of how to take your drumming to the next level. Today, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to becoming a better drummer and how to start networking with the right people in your local music scene. If you've been wondering how to get more gigs and really make a name for yourself as a drummer, this video is for you. First things first, you need to keep improving your skills. If you're serious about drumming, don't just settle for where you're at. Keep pushing yourself to get better every day. If you can't read music yet, start learning. I recommend checking out the Foundation series to learn in a progressive manner. These books will give you a strong foundation in drumming theory and skills. Go through them until everything feels second nature. This is how you build a solid drumming foundation. Once you've got your drumming foundation skills in place, it's time to start networking. If you're not already in a band, get to know other musicians in your area. One of the best places to start is your local drum shop. Drum shops are often hubs for the local music community, and they're filled with people who know other musicians. Introduce yourself, find out who they play for, and let them know that you're looking for work as a drummer. They might even have an internal advertising board where you can leave your contact details. But above all else, show an interest in them and their careers as musicians. Don't underestimate the power of relationships. Befriend the staff at your local drum shop, buy your gear there and show your support. Over time, they'll get to know you, like you, and may recommend you to bands or musicians who are looking for a drummer. They'll also have their ear to the ground about any opportunities in your area, so staying connected can open doors you might not even expect. Another important step is finding the right drum teacher, or teachers. Many drum shops will have connections with experienced teachers. Take lessons from a few different teachers to see what you can learn from each of them. Absorb as much knowledge as possible. It's not just about getting better technically, but also learning different approaches and gaining insights that can help you grow. At the end of the day, it's not just about being the best drummer. It's about having the right attitude, be approachable, be easy to work with, and always be willing to learn. Building genuine relationships with other musicians, teachers and drummers is just as important as the skills you develop behind the kit. The reason for also connecting and forming relationships with other drummers, and not to view them as competitors, is so they get to know you and may recommend you for gigs they themselves cannot do. I myself have worked with literally hundreds of TV personalities and celebrities, simply because that's the direction I chose for myself. I was never interested in working for a famous band. I preferred to turn up and play something I had never played before. That was the challenge for me. As far as working for top 40 bands or superstar, the same applies. Become as great as you can be on the drums and go where the people are you wish to influence in your favour. Befriend them in a positive way. I would highly recommend the Dale Carnegie book, How to Win Friends and Influence People. Apart from this basic advice given here, you will need to create the opportunities that get you where you want to be. To sum it up, keep improving, network with the right people, and make sure your attitude shines through. Then create opportunities for yourself. That's how you'll succeed as a drummer. Now that you're equipped with the tips to grow as a drummer, are you ready to take your knowledge even further? Check out my next video where I break down who are the best drummers in rock. You won't want to miss it.